right now, pag-uusapan namin what action to take in the case of Senator De La Rosa. Pero wala pang consensus. I heard that another PMayor, I think Senator Trillanes, is planning to file an ethics complaint against him for continuous absence. Well, we'll just cross the bridge when we get there. Actually, kung may ethics complaint, it is the ethics committee that will take action initially.
Yung dun po kay Senator Bato, bakit kailangan pa po nating hintayin na si dating Senator Trillanes yung magsampa ng ethics complaint? Why not yung ating other co-senators?
Wala kami, sir. There's nothing in our rules kasi. Yung, of course, meron kami, pag continuous absences sa committee, nawawala yung membership niya sa committee. Pero as far as plenary, wala kaming rule kasi. I think we should revisit the rules of the Senate para mag-amend, para ma-incorporate yung situations like that of Senator Bato.